In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix audio not working in Steam games on Windows. We'll start by making sure your system is using the correct playback device. Use the Windows search bar and type sound settings, then open it. Scroll down until you see the option for more sound settings and click it. In the window that appears, go to the playback tab. Look for your speakers or the device you want to use. You should see a small green check mark on the correct device. If the check mark isn't there, click the device you want, then choose Set as Default. This tells Windows to send all audio there. Click OK to confirm, then close the window. Next, we'll make sure Steam itself has the right permissions, which can prevent audio and device access issues in some setups. Go back to the search bar and type Steam. From the results, click Open File Location. In the folder that opens, right-click the Steam shortcut and choose Open File Location again to get to the actual program files. Scroll down and find Steam. Right-click it and choose Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab, check Run this program as an administrator, then click Apply and OK. This ensures Steam can interact properly with drivers and devices. Now let's do the same for your game. Open your Steam library, find the game having audio issues, and right-click it. Click Browse Local Files to open its installation folder. Locate the game's main executable file, right-click it, and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab again, check Run this program as an administrator, then click Apply and OK. Giving both Steam and the game these permissions helps avoid conflicts with audio services. Finally, we'll have Windows check for common sound problems. Open the search bar again and type Troubleshoot Settings, then click it. Choose Other Troubleshooters. Find Audio in the list and click Run. Follow the on-screen prompts and click Yes when it asks for permission. The troubleshooter will scan for configuration issues, incorrect device selections, or disabled services and apply suggested fixes automatically. After these steps, restart your game and listen for audio. If everything's set correctly, you should hear the game through your chosen device. If not, double-check that the green checkmark is still on the right playback device, and that both Steam and the game are set to run as administrator. This workflow covers the most common causes and gets you back to playing